already graduating. Congratulations from me and Yeji. Yeji, say congratulations. 이모 삼촌, congratulations, auntie uncle. I just want to say thank you so much for being an amazing homeroom. I had the best year with you guys, and even though this year probably didn't end the way that you guys expected it to, I just want to say I'm so proud of each and every one of you, and that you guys have been such a blessing and an encouragement to me this year, especially with this little one. And no matter where you guys end up, I hope that you guys will continue to be a blessing to those around you as well. And yeah, I hope you guys will be able to meet Yeji in person someday. And yeah, Pastor Tim and I are always looking for babysitters, so if you guys ever want to come by, we'd love to have you. So yeah, just congratulations. I'll always keep you guys in my prayers, and you guys have my cacao. So yeah, whenever you guys need to talk or just anything, just feel free to reach out. And yes, I'd love to hear how you guys are doing next year too. So yeah, love you guys. I'll keep you guys in my prayers. Bye. Say bye. Bye.
Hi guys. Congratulations on graduating from high school this year. It's been a privilege, an honor, and it's been a joy getting to know you guys, spending time with you. I know this isn't the way that you wanted things to turn out, but I pray that you would still find joy in this season in your lives as you move on from one chapter to the next. Pray that you would continue to be yourselves, be true to who you are. Yeah, we'll definitely miss you. Hope we will see you guys again soon. Don't be afraid to come back and say hello to your hubes later on when you become successful. And above all else, I just want to say that we love you guys, and we hope and pray that whatever you dream of will come to fruition, and that you guys will trust and lean on God's love and hope. Congratulations again, guys.
Hi, seniors. Congratulations to the graduating class of 2020. I am so proud of all that you have accomplished. Each and every one of you are so amazing and brilliant, and I'm glad that I got to teach such a wonderful group of students. I will miss you, but you are taught and trained to be amazing global Christian leaders. So go out there and make us proud. I love you all very much. Good job, guys.
Congratulations, seniors. We are so proud of you guys, and I'm really sad that we didn't get to see more of you guys this year, but we are praying that your summer will be wonderful and that you will have an excellent time in college. We'll miss you.
Congratulations, seniors. I hope the best, and I wish you an amazing new chapter in life. Congratulations.
Congratulations, seniors. We are so proud of you guys for all of your hard work. Godspeed, and we'll be praying for you.
Bye. Congratulations, felicidades. I will miss you guys. I hope that you have fun in college. Bye.
Congratulations, seniors. I'm so proud of you. I hope that whatever you choose to do in this next year, that you really enjoy it, and that you know that God will be with you throughout it all. Congratulations.
Hello, seniors. Congratulations on graduating this year. It's been a weird year for you, I know, but you got through it anyway. All the best for next year and the future, and I hope you get all the best in your university career and whatever the future holds for you. Good luck. See you all later.
Congratulations, all seniors. I wish wherever you go, whatever you do, always I just will pray for you. And good luck. Bye.
Hi, seniors. Congratulations. I'm so happy for you guys, and I am standing by this wall because I think these are wonderful traits to follow after you leave GCFS. So please take all the things that you learned at GCFS and be the light and salt of this world. Be fearless, respect, persevere, have integrity, okay? All of these things. I love you. Congratulations. You guys are awesome.
Hi, seniors. Congratulations. I'm so proud of you. You have worked hard this year. So good luck with your college, and I'm going to miss you guys so much. I love you.
Congratulations, seniors. Well done. I hope that you can enjoy your college years and do your best and grow up. Okay? So good job. Bye guys. Good luck.
Congratulations on graduating. You guys are going to be amazing in college. Good luck. We're going to miss you so much.
Congratulations, seniors. This is your second chapter of your life. So I hope you guys can enjoy your college lives and you will always be safe and learning a lot. I will be praying for you always and I hope God will be with you always too. Have fun. Bye.
Hi seniors! Congratulations! I'm so sad that your school year had to end like this, but you guys have worked so hard and I'm so proud of you and I hope you're proud of yourselves. 12 years, that's a really long time to be in school. And I know that's not over yet because you're going to college now, but I hope you're excited, and even though it didn't end the way that we expected it to, know that all the teachers, we love you guys so much and we're gonna miss you a lot. But I'm so proud of you guys and I'm so happy for you. We'll always be praying for you. Make sure that after you graduate and you come back for like summer breaks, come to school with coffee and donuts and bong and flowers, because now you can treat us. Love you guys. Congratulations. Yay.
Bless you, seniors. Congratulations. God bless you through whole your life. Thank you, seniors. Bye-bye.
We're here at the end of our high school journey, but our new chapter begins today. Today is the day that proves we are ready for challenges. Work hard, face challenges, and solve them. Because that is what we have learned to do. Lastly, I'd like to thank God for everything. He has been good to us and He will continue to be with us wherever we go. With God, all things are possible, so don't be afraid to dream, to stand up, and to make a difference. Congratulations, class of 2020, and thank you.